create a sketch on the face that you wish to split a target on, and then you can create the target size, whatever it is, the shape. You can dimension it, and then go into the modify split face and select the face that you want to split, and then select this tool that you want to split that face with. And so now I have a face that's separate that I can use as my target. And so then when I go into my simulation and I want to place a load or a constraint, I can select the location. Now, it used to be that you could create a target right here, and apparently that must not have been working because it's no longer here. But I'll select the target and put in my load, whatever it is, and so yeah, that's a way that you can split a face to put a target for a load or constraint.